Hello dear students, welcome you all to the JCE Connect series of online lectures. From today's lecture, we will be studying the subject Restoration and Rehabilitation of Structures, which has a subject code 18 CCT 32. So in this first lecture, I will like to give you all a brief review of the syllabus. So now we are in your third semester of the PG course. The subject will have 4 lectures hours per week, and it will be same as per the previous semester which you have done, the 60-40 scheme. Then overall the subject restoration and rehabilitation of the structures is designed from the viewpoint that you all have and further scope in the restoration or rehabilitations of structures. What has happened is, with the aging of structures, the need for rehabilitation of structures is coming up, and the specialties available in this field are a bit less. So the subject is introduced to give you all an overall knowledge about restoration, rehabilitation, maintenance, and all those stuffs which will give you one more area for making your career. So in this syllabus, the first module consists of restoration and rehabilitation, where we'll be understanding various definitions and their importance. Then we'll be studying about some destructive and non-destructive testing methods. Then we'll be studying about deterioration, causes of deterioration and the preventive measures. And the most important thing is about maintenance. So first module overall gives you an idea about the concepts of restoration and rehabilitation, and even will teach you the testing methods, both destructive as well as non-destructive testing. Then in the second module, we start with the principles of assessment of weathering and durability. We judge the performance of a structure, and then we learn here to diagnose the construction failures, which is very important. Then in this module again we deal with the cracks, which is the most common deterioration mode or failure mode which we observe in especially concrete or RCC structures. Then we will study methods of repairs of steel as well as wooden structures, structural components in the second module. Then in the third module, again we will come across one of the most common causes of deterioration, which is corrosion. We will understand the reasons because of which corrosion occurs, the process of corrosion causes its effect, further the repair and preventive measures. Then we will focus on concrete deterioration such as efflorescence. Then we will study the effects of repair and preventive measures with respect to various deteriorations which can be caused in concrete. Then we will study about the surface coating methods used for repair. We will study about waterproofing, different techniques used in waterproofing, etc. in module number 3. In module 4, the strengthening of existing structure, retrofitting is given more importance, where different methods how we can strengthen the existing structures will be discussed. Further, we will have different maintenance, the steps involved in maintenance, the budget of maintenance, etc., which concludes your module 4. Then in module 5, we will have remedial measures and techniques against failure by strength, deflection, cracking, chemical attacks, weathering, fire leakages, etc. Overall, this fifth module is about the solutions for different problems which are existing, which cause the structural deterioration. So on completing the syllabus, a student is able to predict the failure modes, design the structure to overcome failure, understand the deterioration of structure, suggest the remedial measures, understand different methods of demolition. So friends, this subject is something different. It has a complete practical approach. The more interest you put in this subject, that much it will be helpful. Secondly, these all things you have seen with your eyes. You have seen the structural failures like cracks, etc. You have seen how maintenance is or how poorly maintenance is done. So overall, it's a general subject, but having heavy practical applications. So hopefully we'll be able to go through the subject very smoothly and we all will do well. So from the next lecture onwards, I will start with the concepts of first module. Thank you very much.